Hi everyone, thank you for clicking back on this channel. Today we are going to test out this Ninja blender which I just recently purchased. So I'm going to make some mangoes are in season right now. So we'll do some mangoes, some watermelon, some beetroot, and here I have some bananas which have really turned brown. These are perfect for juicing because none of my kids will eat these, but when I juice them up, there'll be no wastage. So let's try out this blender. So for the base, I'm going to start off with the watermelon because watermelon has a high water concentration, or should I say it has more water or fluid as compared to the rest of the fruits. So start with the watermelon. Just going to chop them randomly. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, honestly. But I can put large chunks since I want everything to fit in here. So I'm done with the melon. Let's do the mangoes. Mangoes are currently in season, so if you have a blender, kindly make some mango juice for your kids. They really will enjoy it, or even for yourself. Honestly, I really do miss taking fruits, especially mangoes, but unfortunately these are the things that I cannot have anymore. So I'm grateful to be making for my kids. They can enjoy them, but personally I can't have these. Otherwise I might end up going to the hospital because my blood sugars have gone too high. So I tend to keep off fruits. The only fruit I can have without any issues are avocados, strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries. So what I can find easily and cheaply is just an avocado. The rest are pretty expensive, so I don't bother with them unless I get a good deal. I honestly do not bother. So if you're in a position to eat fruits without them affecting your health, please do so. Some of us would love to eat mangoes and we cannot. So take advantage of that. Well, I don't think people think about health issues when they become older. I personally didn't even think or even dream that I could not be having fruits ever. But when you live with type 2 diabetes and PCOS, you tend to be very cautious. You don't put everything in your mouth. But that doesn't mean that I don't prepare what I don't eat for my family. I will gladly cook them anything they want to eat. but I just don't have to eat it. This might be a bit tangy because this part is not too ripe, so I might not throw in the whole thing. Let's see how this side is. Let's see how this is. This side looks okay, but the other side, which looks not too ripe, I'll not put it in the blender, that is. My daughter loves tangy mangoes, so she'll eat these with a little bit of salt. That I know for sure. So yeah, if you're in a position to eat fruits, please do eat fruits, but just don't overdo, because fruits do have fructose, and anyway, fructose does convert in, it's actually sugar, so you eat them in moderation. So what I'm making right now will be consumed by 3 kids and 1 adult. So yeah, let's see the quantity that will come out of the 3 mangoes. And so I put 3 mangoes, a little bit of watermelon, and I'll throw in this beetroot just to give it a pop of color. And of course, we'll have those bananas that are overripe that the kids won't eat. So that is done. So I'll chop off this upper part, and the rest of the banana looks very okay. See, I don't even have to use all these bananas. I can just remove the skin and freeze some, so that when it gets too hot, my daughter she can do smoothies. So don't throw away your overripe bananas. You can bake cakes with them. So before you throw anything away, just see if you can salvage it in a way. You shouldn't throw away food, especially when some people are actually starving in other parts of the world. So if you have an overflow, find a recipe that can go with that food and try and cook it. Well, that skin is tough. This skin is tough, but I think this is the last banana that I'll put in, because honestly that juice is the smoothie is going to be so sweet. Why I keep repeating juice is because I'm so used to making them smoothies as opposed to, no, not smoothies. I'm so used to making for them juices from the juicer. That is why I keep on repeating smoothies. Oh, now I'm getting confused, eh? And let me be very honest, these will not be thrown away. The kids will munch on them. So nobody is going to throw these away. The kids will definitely be munching on them. There are some fruit flies over here because of the ripe bananas. So this is the part that I have been waiting for, or we have been waiting for. At this point, let me just remove you guys from here. So I have not turned it on yet, so let's do this together. So okay, yeah, that is on. So it has already been preset, so I'll turn this on. Oh, nice. Then if I want to blend, this is what I'll use. So we're not using the other options right now, so I believe I'll just press this button. Wow. What just happened? Because all I did was just press, and I just stood back and, waited for it to do its thing. I'm speechless, honestly, I'm speechless. The smoothie looks good, other than this particle over here. But honestly, it just did everything. I didn't hit any other button, I didn't do anything else, and I didn't even hold on to it. I think I had that thought of holding on to it so that it doesn't move, but I realized it was very steady and I didn't need to hold it. So wow, this is super impressive. Wow, I think it holds up to its name, and well, I think the purchase was worth it. So let us give the kids the juice, or rather the smoothie. Let's hear what they say. So I think I'll press here. On top it says release. So when you press that part, this upper part pops out. And oh, why did I even have to do that? Hold on. Let's return this back. What do I do here? Oh, I just have to lift up that nozzle. Then when I turn this, Just pour. Looks pretty nice. So far so good. How is it? Tamu sana. Haya, si ukunywe basi. So that is my second child. He says that the juice is nice. Tamu sana means the juice is nice. And my youngest is being fed right here by the older sister, Axel. Is it yummy? Yum yum. Axel. Where? Axel. Yum yum. Axel. Where?
Yum yum. Basi ilikuwa spooni yangu.
Ilikuwa spooni yako. Kwani utaki mtoto atumie? Yake ndogo sana. So that's it for today, guys. The kid has said that the juice is a hit and the blender is definitely a hit. So kindly subscribe, like, share, and I will see you on the next vlog.